Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Look at this simple maths. A lot of people get it wrong, so let's look at how to solve it correctly. 8 minus 8 divided by 10 times 2. 8 minus 8 will give us what? 0. 0 divided by 10 will give us what? 0. 0 times 2 is equal to what? 0. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, ordinals, you have to solve for bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction from left to right. So let's solve it correctly. Now, first of all, remember that division comes before multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So you have to divide first. And remember that this minus sign is with this 8. So minus 8 divided by 10 will give us minus 0.8. And we'll put this 8 here, put our times 2 here. Remember, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So let's multiply. Minus 0.8 times what? 2 will give us minus 1.6. And put your 8 here. 8 minus 1.6 will give us 6.4. 8 minus 1.6 is equal to 6.4. This is our final